Why didn't you cook? Oh, you could have just warmed that one up, no? What are you gonna cook? What are you gonna cook the chicken with? Ooh, lots of fish everywhere. What are you gonna cook the fish, the chicken with? 90. Oh, which one you want? Dry fish everywhere. Dry fish. This one's only 130. Wow. 130, 180. Oh, is that the rice? More over here. This is lucky. Lucky. Cashapp. Oh, what is it? Dang, look at that one. Super. This one's like sardines right here. This one is 30. Oh shit, look at that one. Super black today. Oh shit, still need more. Super blogging, y'all. Super blogging. What are we doing, baby, next? But we're gonna buy you some fish. Dry fish. My Osawa loves fish. And snake fish. Octopus. Shark. She eats a lot of shark. What else you like to eat, Bobby? Oh, and then she eats these things that look like gummy worms. Where are we going, Bobby? Let's go. We're on a mission to get some food. I think the YouTube needs a damn update because the camera's kind of shaky. Let's look at this fish over here. Dang. Look at that. Baby, here's your favorite fish. Wow, look at that fish. 180 only. 150. 150?
75 yan, no?
Juicy, baby. Oh, man. Baby, it's juicy. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget. Oh shit, look at this one.
125. 60, 250, 63. Naraya.
This one don't even look like fish, babe.
1/4 man, 125.
Looks like chicken or something.
125.
Oh, look at this black one. What is that? One guy. Hot guy. Dang, the fish. Fish is wild.
Ah.
Where come on? Okay. Oh my god. My wife's super shopping today. She's super shopping for food. Super fish. Baby loves super fish. Let's see what she's gonna. Oh, I don't know what that is. Babe, what you gonna buy?
Click yun na tunga yan.
140. 140. Ay! This one. Was your best friend? Oh, look at that big old tuna fish. Dang.